In the heart of Sahyadri ranges, the choices aren't limited, they are endless. After completing yet another beautiful trek at Ratangad, Vivek and I weren't ready to stop. The mountains still had more to say. Just some 15-30 minutes away from Ratangad, the Sahyadris had another surprise waiting for us. A village so peaceful, so unreal, Lavhalwadi.
Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome back to another video, to another day, to another ride, to another adventure. Whew, man. Maharashtra been so many. I mean, the plans, whatever I did initially, it's like completely vanished. And the plans, whatever happening now, it's like instantaneous. You know, if I'm seeing some cool place on the internet, I'm just going there. Also this morning, I don't know Ratangad will be on which episode, but if you did see it, do let me know how was it. And if you don't want to miss any new videos, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon in the bottom, so that you don't miss any new notification when the new video drops on the channel. So yesterday I saw there was a lake nearby. Let's go.
Surrounded completely by water, tiny bridges connecting one patch of land to another. Riding through them felt like crossing into another world. No words, just the sound of the engine and the wind. After yesterday's Ratangad climb, this freshness, this calmness was exactly what we needed. We sat under the shade of trees, we watched the local fishermen catching fish, clicked a couple of pictures, took a deep breath, and then decided to move again. Next destination, Sandhan Valley.
बट भाई ये व्यू है ना, ऑसम है भाई. उधर देख ना, वो स्टेप 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 जैसा बना है इधर से. विदाउट क्लाउड इट वुड एक्चुअली लुक ब्यूटीफुल मैन. पीछे भी देख रहे हो, पीछे देखो मस्त ऐसा, वही रतनगढ़ है ना, वो टॉप पॉइंट. सो दैट peak you are seeing, no, the middle one, that is Ratangad, by the way. Yesterday we were there at the top. Can you imagine that? Biker bro came here to explore the ghat sections, met these crazy people, and I was on the top. Whew. The one thing I do want to say is that cultural difference, right? I mean, you can immediately feel it as soon as you enter Maharashtra. It may be their dressing sense, the people, or their what I like the most is their way of accepting the people from other state. For example, yesterday we stayed in one of the homestay at Ratangad. I mean, the homestay owner or their people, oh my god, I mean, the no words, like literally no words. Beautiful experience, to be honest, till now. And I mean, what else we need, right? I mean, just enjoying the nature, enjoying the roads, enjoying the food. Oh my god, don't talk about the food. Food is next level. I mean, see, this kind of immediate the food difference you will find when you move from South Karnataka to North Karnataka. For example, the chapati changes to jolad roti. And we in the south people use chutney, sagu, the wet foods. But the North Karnataka, they use the powdered one. What do you say? I don't know what to call. But नहीं जाना है 16 किलोमीटर सही है. So you can say I'm literally in core of the Maharashtra. So this Ratangad, I think it's, if I'm not wrong, it's near to Nashik, Mumbai, Nashik and all. So, but yeah, enjoying the Sahyadri, enjoying the roads. Beautiful, beautiful experience till now.
The route from Lavhalwadi to Sandhan Valley. It was like pure bliss. Perfect twisties, endless curves. There were potholes here and there, but that's the part of journey, isn't it?
Also, many people have asked me in the past that how do I plan the solos and all. I mean, this is how it is. Like literally, once I hit the state, let's say on a long ride, I kind of have a check. I kind of will be having a checklist of important or the major attraction places. Like Maharashtra, I had a place checklist like Amboli, Ambaghat, and after that Amboli, Ambaghat, Mahabaleshwara, and after that Varandha Ghat. And after that, what did we do? Varanda Ghat to Kumbe Falls, and Satkund was totally out of syllabus. That was one of the most beautiful thing I saw during this ride. And after seeing Satkund Falls, oh my god, whatever the falls I see, for sure it won't be as beautiful as the Satkund. So after Satkund, what did we do? Oh my god, that trekking! Oh, it's becoming so versatile. And then the Ratangad trek, the Ratangad viewpoint. Whew, oh my god. That's how it is. I mean, sometimes you meet people, you just click right away. So you don't need to, fake it. They just understand you as, they also will sync with you, and if you're crazy enough, this happens. I mean, what else we need, bro? I mean, the road is pitch dark, you have a mountain in front, you have a full tank of petrol. Done, sorted. So currently I'm riding from Ratangad area. Oh, by the way, this area is called as Lavhalwadi. Shingangaon something is there, the nearby place which you can type out. Ooh, I think our paradise have come. Ooh. Exit, 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 exit. Yes. Beautiful. I'll scrape my footprints there.
In the middle of all this exploration, life interrupted. An urgent office call. Reality knocking on the door. We paused near Rajur. Just a small stop, I thought, but that small stop turned into an entire afternoon. Yet what stayed with me was the kindness. The hotel staff there was so warm, so understanding. They said, "Take your time. We understand. We also wish we could explore with you. No rush. Food, water, and the genuine smiles." By the time we resumed our ride, I think it was already 7 or maybe 8 pm. Morning greeted us gently. Fresh air, soft sunlight, and simple poha from local home. With warm hearts and lighter minds, we began walking towards Sandhan Valley.
Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Not sure it's gonna be another video or it's gonna be a continuation of another video. Like the whole timeline is so messed up, so we itself don't know where we're gonna be in the evening, so don't mind about that. But yeah, welcome back to another ride, to another day, to another adventure at Sahyadri, Maharashtra. So yesterday, if you remember, or today, we rode back to Rajul just to get a proper network, because we got some work to do and something came up, had to make a call and all. So we went to Rajul, finished up those tasks, and in the evening had a dinner there, and came back to Samrad, which is Sandhan Valley. So we put our camp there near the base area. There is a camping place over there. I'll show you in a while. But yep, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Share with your friends and family. I'm just a friendly neighborhood rider from Udupi, Bangalore, and that's Vivek for you.
And then the road ended. We parked the bike at the base because beyond this point, engines don't matter, only footsteps do. Sandhan Valley. They call it the Valley of Shadows. And you understand why the moment you step inside. From above, it looks silent, calm. But once you walk in, it feels ancient. Massive rock walls rising on both sides, narrow paths carved by time, and silence so deep you can hear your own breath. Nature doesn't build this often. This valley wasn't made for comfort. It was shaped by water, by time, by patience. And standing between those giant rock faces, you realize how small you really are. No traffic, no phone network, no distractions. Just us. After the long ride, after the village calm, this was different. This was powerful. Sandhan Valley isn't just a place you visit, it's a place you experience, and every step inside it feels earned.